reduce polynomials. We have here three expressions. We have here the letter with the exponent m plus 1, here m plus 1, m plus 1. So I want that you observe that this expression here is similar, or is the same than this expression, and is the same than this expression. Also remember, when you don't have a coefficient here, you have a number 1. So they are similar. When they are similar, it's very easy to work. So how we are going to work? We are going to do the parentheses here. The first coefficient is 1.5. The second is negative 2/3. And the next is negative 1. All of them, they have a common element. It's xm plus 1. All of them. Okay. Now we have here two fractions and one whole number. So in this case, we're going to add the number 1 here down in the denominator. And we are going to have now three fractions. So we're going to think 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So we're going to write 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. I'm going to use the parentheses. Minus 6/3 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 6/1 is 6 times 1, 6. Close parentheses, x m plus 1. This is equal to, now we have 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Negative 1 with negative 6 is negative 7. So I'm going to write down here, negative 7 over 6 x m plus 1. So we finish. This is the answer. If you want, you can extend this fraction line. If you don't want, you can leave like this. That's the correct answer. Remember, you have three expressions, three monomials, or three terms. The three terms, they have the same variable with the same exponent. So when you have this situation, it's very easy. And also here, you don't have any number in the front. Here, you don't have a coefficient. When you don't have a coefficient, the coefficient must be the number 1 here. Okay? So you just copy 1.5 minus 2/3 minus 1 x m plus 1. So you're grouping like this. Now we have to operate these fractions. I said 2 times 3 is 6. 6/2 is 3 times 1, 3. 6/3, 2 times 2, 4. 6/1 times 1, 6. 3 minus 4 is negative 1, minus 6 is negative 7/6. Remember, don't forget to write the common variable with the exponent. So negative 7/6x with the exponent m plus. Hello. Here we have a new situation. We have to reduce the polynomials. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Now we have to observe the first term. This first term is 3/5x squared. This first term is similar to this term, plus x squared over 2. Why is similar? Because both of them, they have x squared. And also we have another one here that is x squared minus 4x squared. So we are going to think in all of these three terms, and we are going to copy and we are going to group. Okay, so I'm gonna copy here, I'm gonna use the parentheses, and I'm going to copy 3/5, the first coefficient. Here, when you don't have any number in the front, you have the number 1/2, plus 1.5, and minus 4. And all of them, they have the same common letter, x squared. That's the first grouping. The next group is -2x with xy, with positive xy/3 and positive xy. So I'm gonna use here plus, all the time plus, remember, parentheses. So you have -2 here, the first coefficient you have to copy. Here, this color blue, when you don't have any number here, you have 1/3 plus 1/3. And finally, you don't have again a number here, you have the number 1 plus 1. Plus 1, you close the parentheses, and you copy the variables x, y. Perfect. It's very easy. So I'm gonna do the lines here. This expression is going here. Also, this expression is going here, and this expression is going here. Remember, this is the number 1, not the number 4. 1 just. Okay. Now we are going to operate. We are working with fractions now. Okay. So I'm gonna do the line here. Here, and also here now. So the common factor here is 10, so I'm gonna write down here 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 10 divided by 2 is 5 times 1 is 5, minus, when you don't have a fraction is 1, remember, 10 divided by 1 is 10, times 4 is 40, and this is x squared. Now plus -2 and +1 is -1, plus 1/3 xy. Now the next step, we have to solve and we have to operate. Found out the final answer here. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 40 is 29, but it's -29 over 10 x squared. That's the final answer. But here in this side, -1 plus 1/3, I'm gonna work here. -1/1 plus 1/3 is equal. So remember, in this situation, it is equal to, you have to write the number 3 in this case, because 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times -1 is -3. 1 times plus 1 is +1. -3 plus 1 is -2/3. So you're going to copy that answer here, plus, because here you have plus what? -2/3. -2/3 xy. Finally, you don't have to live like this. You have to work still, positive and negative. I'm going to copy the first element, -29 over 10x squared. Positive and negative is -2/3 xy. Now I'm going to explain something else. If you want, you can extend your fraction here. But if you don't want, you just leave like before, okay? Both are equivalent. So this is the final answer. So I'm going to review again with you guys. We have here this first element that is common to this third element, and this common to this last. No, that's this element. So you have the coefficients 3 over 5. The other is plus 1 over 2, and the next is negative 4. All of them belongs to the letter x squared. X squared plus. Now negative 2, xy, negative 2. xy is here out. Again, xy is plus 1. Oh, plus 1. But xy, what is xy? Sorry. Negative 2, xy is 1 over third and plus 1. Okay, xy. So we now found the common number. 10 divided by 5 is 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 10 divided by 2 is 5 times 1 is 5. Minus 10 divided by 5 is 10 times 4 is 40. Here 1 minus 2 is negative 1 plus 1 over third. 1/3. So 6 plus 5 is 11 minus 4 is negative 29. Make sure that you have to write this negative. If you don't write the negative, everything is wrong. So negative 29 over 10x squared plus negative 1 plus 1/3. We work here is negative 2/3. But you have negative and positive, you have to write here negative, sorry. Okay, this negative is from here. So this answer has two terms. It's a binomial. Okay. Now let's move to minus 2b minus 3a squared plus 6b minus 9a squared plus 4b minus 5a squared minus 3b. So I'm going to group 15 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5 a squared. So this is all the group related with a squared. Now I'm going to group here negative b, negative b, negative positive 6b, positive 4b, and negative 3b. So I'm going to copy all the time. I use here plus, remember, plus. Okay, I'm gonna copy the b, negative 2 plus 6 plus 4 negative 3b. Okay, we have a group of a squares, another group of b. So now we have to be really careful with the answers. So 15 you take away 3 is 12. 12 you take away 9 is 3. 3 you take away 5 is negative 2. So you are not sure, you just use your calculator. Negative 2a squared plus negative 2 plus 6 is positive 4. Positive 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5, but don't forget to write down the same letter, the common letter. So the final answer is going to be this binomial, negative 2a squared plus 5b. Okay?